Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Grammarly on your Windows 10 laptop. So guys, if you want to use Grammarly on your Windows laptop, so firstly open any web browser, then type grammarly.com. So after that, click on login. If you have already any account, so log in your account with Facebook, Google or Apple ID. And guys, if you don't have any account, so click here I don't have an account. Now you need to sign up using Facebook, Google or Apple ID. Easy way to sign up on Grammarly. Select Google. Now select your Gmail. Now select as your requirement, like most of your writing is for school work or other projects like work, then click on continue. Now select your occupation, then continue. Now select your company size. Now select I want to help with spelling and grammar. So select what's your need, and then click on continue. And select mode. I want to help identifying when I sound informative and natural. These all selection are only optional. You can change and also you can select any another one. Now click on continue to Grammarly. Now click here. Then you need to click on My Grammarly. It will ask add to Chrome if you need, so add Grammarly extension to your Chrome browser. Now click on apps and here you will find option Grammarly for Windows. So guys, if you need Grammarly application on your Windows laptop, so select this second option, then click on install. Now once this Grammarly setup file will be downloaded, double click on it. Now wait for a while till downloading process will be complete. Grammarly will launch once the installation is complete. Now you need to sign in. Click on continue to Grammarly. Click on open Grammarly. So like this guys, you can install Grammarly to your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.